the bridge over there. Oh, barely. Hello, Facebook fans or YouTube fans. It's hard to see in a video, but it's really coming down the snow. Oh, we have a train coming. You know, on a sunny day, this is quite picturesque, but hey, here we go. Now, I wonder if they're stopping here in Beacon Falls. I don't know. Anyway, Air Checks fans, this is the alleged blizzard where we're supposed to get 15 to 20 inches. I don't think we're going to get that much, but you never know. If it snowed like this till tomorrow, we'd be buried, but they're saying a dry slot's going to come up this evening, so who knows. All I know is I'm looking at the radar and it looks like it's going to pick up in intensity big time in the next hour or so. So, hey, you never know. Should post this to a weather blog. I love it. Here, I'll go for another walk and down the street, and then you'll be able to see what it's really like here. It really hasn't snowed that hard until right about the last hour or so. Been very, very light snow. It started snowing at like 2 o'clock this morning, but I mean, I think we got 2 inches between 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock this morning, so that tells you how much we didn't get. It's not like New York City, an hour's drive down the road, hour and a half. They've been buried down there, but here, nah, not bad at all. Starting to be a little blowing and drifting, which is the fun part of a big snowstorm. So no matter how cold it is, I love coming out in the snow. Just for reference, this is downtown Beacon Falls. I live on North Main Street here in town, and well, there's my house over there across the road. This is the Beacon Falls Senior Center, which since the pandemic has been largely closed. And here on the right, you can see Beacon Hose Company #1. Best fire department in the state, in my opinion. There's a Dunkin' Donuts over here. They just put that in not too long ago, right across the road. All right, now there's a guy having fun. Is that my neighbor? Hey, 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 hey! He got his three-wheeler. Now he's happy. Not much traffic today. We got a few people trying to brave this weather, but they all got told to stay off the roads. This is downtown Beacon Falls. Historically, this used to be Route 8 back before 1981. My wife tells me they would zip down this road about 65 miles an hour, even through town. Well, ain't been anything like that since they built the bypass. I didn't live here back then. Back in '81, I was up in Massachusetts, a little town called Orange. We would get this kind of weather all the time. This is a bar over here that, well, it used to be called Torreras. I don't know what it was called after the new owners got it in 2018. They did a good job in trying to renovate the place, but as you can see, they never finished. The pandemic hit. They tried to stay open through part of the summer, and that was it. They've been closed since then, and I imagine that the new owners that sunk all that money into here lost their shirt. Just another victim of COVID-19. Here's what used to be called Dan Mart. I think they just call it Beacon Falls Mart now. The guys that run it live over me. They're my upstairs neighbors. As you can tell, I'm an old guy and I'm out of shape. But walking is good for me. Take note of these gas prices. You'll never see them that low again. Thank you, Joe Biden. And so, I guess I should say the date, February 1st, 2021. And about a month ago, just before Christmas, they closed this. This is called Burton Road. and they closed it because the retaining wall up there is crumbling. Yeah, maybe I'll go by and take another video when they reopen it after they rebuild it, which won't begin until this summer. This used to be an auto dealership. Before that, it was an antique store. Well, let's hope that Gary Franco can make a go of whatever he's got there. Plumbing. Oh, okay. That's new within the year, by the way. Yeah, it's coming down pretty good now. Down here about, gosh, I don't know how many years ago, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, they put this kind of like, this is like Veterans Park. I think that's the name of it. And in good weather, they have the military flags all flying for all the service branches. Never did get the Space Force one up. Yes, clean up after your dog. And you can see flags at the bottom of the flagpole. Yeah. The Naugatuck River down there, where we were when I took a little quick walk across the road. Hi there. Railroad Avenue Bridge. As you can see, they rehabbed this back, I don't know, 2011. Well, anyway, it was built in 1935. There you go. Now, I'll be facing into the wind and this will be painful, but a view up the river, upstream, up to where we were. Yeah, that's painful. Temperature is only about 23 degrees up here, so it hasn't really risen as far as temperature goes. We'll get on the other side of this bridge and we'll go over and take a look at the train station. Oh, that young lady came this far and turned around. Aha! Yeah, it's hard to walk in this stuff. I think the intensity of the snow has really picked up just since I walked out the door. It's really coming down now. And these flakes are very small. This is very, very fluffy snow. Okay, Lopus Road goes that way. Again, this is the town of Beacon Falls. I'm not going to walk up there. And that's Railroad Avenue, which the train station, that's what we're looking at right now. And I don't feel like walking that far. And if you go down, all the way down Railroad Ave, all the way to the end, there's a very large factory down there. I don't know what they make. And I really haven't paid attention. So, and back we go. Wow, that's my video for today. And this is still the early part of the blizzard of 2021, which might end up as a dud, or maybe we're going to get really nailed if it snows like this until tomorrow. We shall see. Thanks, Facebook, and thanks, YouTube people, and continue to watch our classic radio air check videos right here on this channel, Air Check's Classic Radio. I'm Steve West. Have a great day. Stay safe.